कभी बैंक जाकर इंग्लिश में बात करने में हेजिटेशन हुई है? अगर हाँ, तो आज की वीडियो आपके लिए है। आज हम सीखेंगे एक रियल लाइफ बैंक कॉन्वर्सेशन जो हर सिचुएशन में काम आएगी।
Good morning. Welcome to the bank. How may I help you today?
Good morning. I want to open a savings account.
Certainly. May I see your ID proof and address proof?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Please fill out this application form.
Sure. Can you help me with this section? Done. What should I do next?
Please sign here.
Okay. Thank you. I also want to deposit some money today.
No problem. How much would you like to deposit?
I'd like to deposit $500.
Please fill out this deposit slip.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Thanks. One more question. How can I check my account balance? You can use our mobile app, internet banking, or visit any ATM. That's helpful. Thank you for your assistance. You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
अब कमेंट करके बताओ, अगर आप बैंक जाओ तो सबसे पहले इंग्लिश में क्या बोलोगे? अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो लाइक करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, कॉन्वर्सेशंस के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहो।